Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change profile picture in Honor of Kings. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the Honor of Kings app in login, and from the main lobby screen, which is here, tap on your current avatar in the top left, and that's it. And it's gonna walk you right in here. That is your personal info page. So in your personal info page, tap on your avatar again. This will open the change avatar interface. So go ahead and tap on the avatar button that is there, and it's going to walk you in here. In the change avatar interface, you have a couple of options. You can use default system avatars that's choose from game provided icons, or if it is supported in your region or you have reached a level where it's just supported in your phone, you can upload from your album by tapping select from album. So just pick a photo in JPEG or PNG format. Recommended size is 650 by 650 px. Use a game screenshot or on a badge if available. Adjust the crop if prompted, then tap finish or confirm to save. The new avatar should display immediately. Honor of Kings often syncs with your social login avatar by default. So to use a separate custom avatar for WeChat login, you can go to WeChat settings, head over to privacy, head over to authorization management, and remove Honor of Kings. Now in game, select play with WeChat friends, create new profile, and you will then upload a unique avatar separate from your WeChat one. Alright, so go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom too. Get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.